Right, sometimes we need to know the area and perimeter of a certain shape. So here's a very simple shape. It's got three lines. It happens to be a triangle, and I can click on each line. And one really cool thing to do is use the measure command. So if I want to know the distance or the area, I can quickly find the dimensions using the distance command, and then I could use all the formulas I know to figure things out. So that's one way where I can do it. And then there's also the quick measure, where if you get inside of it, it just pops them all onto the screen. So now I can do my computations based on the information that I'm getting on the screen. But there's even more cool stuff under measure. You can measure an area as an example. And so I'll just click on one corner. That's a left click, left click, left click, and enter to finish it off. And then it tells me there's an area of 14.0652 and a perimeter of 18.4748. And that was using the area command. You'll see there's also a volume command. So if this had volume, I could also get the volume too. So those are some quick ways to do some measurements and get them fairly exact with AutoCAD, so that instead of having to compute, especially if this was a difficult shape, instead of having to compute it, you let AutoCAD compute it for you.